Sanibonani ndibelana option. Hi, welcome to Tomi's tea elishisa be kodwa alifuni ukuthi uliphuze uhamba ngoba uzosha. Let's get into the video. One thing that I like is when the Yeni family mention abantwana bakaVuyokazi. This is so nice to see because nabo bayabukela probably sebayakhula omhlophekazi, and when they are watching, it's so sad ukuthi umntana maybe yabona so this is my family and those type of vibes, but maybe they're gonna watch the show and hear the fact ukuthi the family hasn't deserted you, they haven't forgotten about you, they still love you, just that khona izinto kumele zilunge kuqala ukuze nani nizokhona ukubuya nivakashele ugogo kube mnandi. You see those vibes. And also the fact that Umselego mentioned that he doesn't want to go ayolanda labantwana or ayobabika abutshele umama wakhe ukuthi unabantwana eCape Town, Eastern Cape or Cape Town khona lapho, because akafuni ukuthi abalande ngenye indlela, because as you know black people and sisters, the vibes, you know. And sadly for uTirelo, she couldn't be the first wife because egibo bathema bathi bayohlawula umntwana. Abazali bakaTirelo, they were like, no, thina kulomndeni asiyenzi lento leyo ukuthi umntwana uyahlawulwa. As long as nim acknowledge ukuthi wenu, then it's fine on us, yabo. So Mamselego family were like, okay, but Umpumelelo was okay, I have money now, I want to go keep up ilobolo for the two ladies that are part of my life, Esho Amahle no Tirelo. And then Umselego was like, no, qala ngoTirelo, because already uTirelo usinengane naye dala nazana dala mthandana. And then Umpumelelo went to Tirelo's family wayokhuluma nomama kaTirelo and told her ukuthi yazini ngathanda ukuthatha umntwana wakho ngokomthetho, you know, ngabe ngathi ngiyazenzela ngaye, to show my intention kuye. But Mama Tirelo was like, no, awusebenzi. And I get where she was coming from. Maybe she thought ukuthi uzomnakekela kanjani umntana mengasebenzi, those type of vibes. Imagine umntana kushadile and they still have to depend kumsele with those vibes, but not knowing ukuthi Umpumelelo is capable of taking care of Tirelo. So unfortunately Umpumelelo had to go and pay for Amahle first. And a couple Amahle, they could see the vision, they understood ukuthi yazini uzosebenza uzoba nabo amandla. I mean sasemncane, so they trusted Umpumelelo and they gave their daughter's hand away to Umpumelelo, and it was a nice celebration as we've seen. So unfortunately, now we get the real reason why uMakale was not paid lobola for, but at the end of the day uyabathanda. And one thing about uTirelo noMpumelelo, you can never separate the two, they are so in love. But also one thing that I've seen is that history is repeating itself. What is happening to Umpumelelo is the same thing that happened to ubabake. When Umselego went to Mayeni's family to ask for Mayeni's hand in marriage, they refused. Same thing is happening to Umpumelelo, where Magaya Kabo Makali bayala nabo, and then Umselego had to take Umakal as the first wife. And I don't know the situation when it comes to Umpumelelo's scenario, but as we can see, Wuti Amahle is probably the first wife, which is what is happening to Tirelo and Mayeni. And that's why I realized maybe that's why Mayeni is so fond of Tirelo, because she reminds her of her younger self, you know, the challenges that they went through with Umselego, and you can see their love is strong. Same applies with Tirelo. So I think they'll be good in future. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time. Bye.